Hello everybody. Today I'm making this tutorial because I got this request from Penny Hat. She asked me if I can make a tutorial on an inward facing Picot. So I haven't used this Picot a lot. So I'm gonna try to show it to you with and without beads. So I put a couple of beads in my thread and see if you can see the difference between a regular picot and a inward picot. So I'm just gonna do a simple pattern of 3 double stitches. And I'm gonna make a regular picot and 3 double stitches. And this is where I'm gonna make the inward picot. So the way you do it is you go the first half of a double stitch, another first half of the double stitch, and then this is where you're gonna make your picot. So we're gonna do it by doing the second half of that picot, of the double stitch. So you see what I did there? Let me do that again. So usually you go like this to make a picot, right? But for this inward picot, we're gonna go like this. Second half of a double stitch. And then again, second half of a double stitch. So if you can see, it's kind of standing up. Okay, let's try that again. Let's do 3 double stitches. 1, 2, 3. Regular picot. 3 double stitches. And let's do an inward picot. So 1 half double stitch, another half double stitch, and now second part of a double stitch, hold it for your picot, another second half of your double stitch, and slide it. So here it is, the inward picot. I don't know if you can see it. These ones are the normal picots, and this one are the inward picot. Okay, so let's see how that looks in a ring. So let's close our ring. And I didn't pull my tail. Okay, there we go. So I should have kept doing double stitches because it don't look that good. Should have ended with more double stitches because now it's going inside. See that? So my regular picots are on the outside and my inward picots are in the inside. So let me try that with beads, okay? Let me take that off and do a ring with the beads and see how that looks. Let's do the same thing. 3 double stitches, regular picot, 3 double stitches. Now we're gonna do the inward picot. So half first stitch, another half of the first stitch. Let's grab a bead, second part of the stitch, double stitch, and another second part. three double stitches, regular picot, 3 double stitches. Now let's do an inward picot. Let's grab a bead. Do the second half of that stitch and 3 double stitches. And you know what? I'm gonna do 1 regular picot and 3 double stitches, just so our ring is a little bigger. Okay, so let's close our ring and see. Well, let me show you how it looks right there, right here. So this is our regular picots down here, and sticking up is the beads on the inward picot. Okay, so let's close our ring. Oh, it's gonna be a little hard because of those beads. Oh, there we go. And see what we end up with. It's a little messy, but I think because the beads are too big. See, those beads are too big. But if you were just to do 1 bead, the bead will end up in the center. So I hope that answered your question. And thank you to all my new subscribers, and I'll try to upload more videos soon. Don't forget to check my community postings on YouTube. And thank you for everybody that's sending me messages on Facebook. I'm trying to get caught up with them. Sometimes I forget to check it, but thank you for watching. Happy tatting.